Dozens of St. Andrew residents facing uncertainty after structure collapsed. Influenza A outbreak hits the country's prisons. Medical Association issues public warning. And teens killed in shootout in East Kingston linked to major crimes. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Shamela Pullen. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. Details right after the break.